Welcome. If you're looking to freshen up your group chat on X, formerly known as Twitter, by adding a group photo using your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest update, the process is easier than ever, and in just a few steps, your group can have a new look that stands out in everyone's message list. Let's get started. First, open X from your preferred browser and log into your account. On the left side of the homepage, you'll see the messages icon. Click on it to access all your conversations. Find your group chat by typing its name in the search bar, or scrolling through your list, then click to enter the group. Once you're inside the group chat, look for the information icon, usually shaped like a small eye in a circle, at the top right corner of the chat window. Click on this icon to open the group's info page. Here, you'll see various options for customizing your group. Next, click on the Edit button. This is where you can make changes to your group settings, including updating the group photo. To add new members to your group, click on Add People. A list of your contacts will appear. Simply select the people you want to add, and then click Add to confirm your choices. If your goal is to update the group photo, look for the option to upload a new image, often represented by a camera or photo icon. Click on it, choose your desired photo from your computer, and upload it. Once the photo appears, make sure to save your changes. That's it. Your group now has a brand new photo, and any new members you've added will be part of the conversation. Customizing your group's image is a great way to reflect its personality and make it instantly recognizable in your messages. Give it a try and see how a simple update can make your group chat feel even more connected and lively.